Hey everyone! Today I'm excited to walk you through version 1.1 of the UnrealGen plugin, the AI-powered assistant for Unreal Engine that helps you generate, understand, and debug blueprints. This update includes a bunch of new features, including OpenAI support, a more polished UI, and better blueprint analysis tools. Let's dive in. Let's start with the updated plugin settings. You'll now see options for both Gemini and OpenAI API keys, so you can choose which AI provider you want to use. There's also support for selecting model versions. That means you can choose between different models depending on your use case. For example, Gemini Pro or GPT-4. Below that, we've added a checkbox for Gemini Web Search. You'll want to keep that unchecked when you're analyzing local blueprints, since you don't need web data for that. I tested the system by asking it to analyze a few blueprints starting with BP Test 1. Here's what the AI discovered. BP Test 1 is a simple blueprint that multiplies two double variables, converts the result to a string, and prints it to the screen during begin play. It even picked up a few subtle issues, like a hard-coded hello string in the print node, default zero values on variables, and the lack of explanatory comments. Suggestions? Remove the hard-coded string, ensure the variables are set, and add comments to improve clarity. Then I ran an analysis on BP projectile math, which calculates projectile range using trigonometric functions and basic physics. The AI provided a detailed breakdown of each node, from angle conversions and square roots to formatting the final result for display. It also flagged areas for improvement, like refactoring into smaller functions, avoiding hard-coded constants like 2.0, and adding much-needed comments. And finally, there's a new UI toggle for switching between rich text and raw text mode. Raw mode is super helpful if you want to copy the AI's output directly. Finally, I tested the plugin with BP.test2, a more advanced setup that applies damage to overlapping actors based on distance and tags. On the surface, it looks solid, but the AI immediately spotted a major logic flaw. There's no branch node after checking if the actor has the correct tag, so damage is applied regardless. It also pointed out unconnected pins, type inconsistencies, and missing connections like the target on the applied damage node. Thanks to this feedback, I now know exactly where to fix things to make the blueprint more reliable and maintainable. That kind of automatic code review is what makes this plugin so valuable, especially for quick iteration or reviewing blueprints made by someone else. If you want to try this yourself, the plugin is now available on the Fab Marketplace. Just search for UnrealGenPlugin. That's it for this walkthrough of UnrealGenPlugin v1.1. If you found this useful, hit that like button. Leave a comment if you have questions or feature requests. And don't forget to subscribe to follow the development journey. More updates are coming soon. Thanks for watching.